Leadhead, and I'm coming at you with my head shave of the day for today. It's February 3rd, 2018. And I did want to say thank you for joining me for the head shave. Definitely do appreciate it. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm not doing too bad myself here. It's, what time is it now? I forget. Let me check my phone. Just a little bit after noon here on Saturday. So I just figured I'm about to go for a run or a walk. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I figured I'd get a head shave in first. I still got to take a shower, but I'm going to do that after I do that, so that's fine. I don't have a ton of growth, maybe a couple days, so this shouldn't be too nuts. Okay, so just to get in the shave here, I wanted to go through some of the equipment I'll be using for the shave today. On the hardware side, my razor I'm going to be using the El Cheapo, the Pacific safety razor from Dollar Tree. I do like this actually. It's very light and kind of crappily made. Feels like it's going to fall apart, but if I do, oh well, I got a couple more. But I do like it. It's actually pretty aggressive and gives you a good shave. So I'm going to be using that today. I figured why not. My brush I actually have loaded up with soap here. I'm using the OSP from the other day. This is what it looks like here. I have it whipped up in this stainless steel bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. So that's what it's looking like here. And that's just left over from a little bit of lather, and there was a little bit of soap stuck to the bottom still. So I got a pretty good amount there just from I probably could have put less water in this, but that's fine. But yeah, so you can get a pretty good lather here just out of old cream and a little bit of soap. So here, let me see if I can pull up everything I got here. Ton. And like I said, there wasn't a ton in the bowl, so you can really work this stuff up. OSP is great. Okay, so that's the brush and the soap, and the soap is OSP Sandalwood, and the brush is this Haircut and Shave Co. 24mm Tuxedo style knot here. That's in here, a real good brush. I like that a lot. The Aftershave, I'm going to be using a skin bracer. I just figured I'd go with this. I like this a lot here. And the Balm, Nivea Men's Sensitive Cooling Post Shave Balm. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software I'll be using for the shave. So we can go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and put some hot water on the head here. I thought about doing cold water shave, but I actually did a face shave last night off camera. I just wanted to kind of sit there and enjoy it and not worry about videoing it. But I don't know, I kind of did like a bit of a cold water and I didn't like it too much, so I just figured, I like the hot water. It feels good. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this to the face here. I got a ton of lather, so I'm not going to have any problems lathering this up, so bring this to the head. Oh, yeah. Plenty of lather here to work with. I imagine whatever lather I have left over here, I'll put in this Franken soap bowl right there, and that'll be my next face shave, so probably tomorrow. We'll see that, boy, OSP is the shiznit. Real good stuff. I like it a lot. The scent is pretty good. It's not the strongest stuff, but I find the OSP Performance is what I really want. But yeah, for my face shave, yes, I use the Crown King Ceylon Teas, the mentholated version. My wife also got me for Christmas. I wanted to give that a try. I haven't tried it yet. I'll have to give that another go on camera here. But boy, that's some great stuff. You know, the scent isn't like super, it's strong, but you know, just by its nature being tea, it's not like overpowering or anything. But that was, I don't know, like 7 or 8 last night, and man, I woke up this morning, it was like 9 o'clock. I was still smelling Aftershave on me. That's pretty strong stuff. So I definitely recommend. Actually, I think they just discontinued it. So if you're gonna want it, you're gonna have to pick it up from buy sell trade, or if there's any left, I'm not sure. Pretty good stuff though. I like it a lot, and it's on sale now too. So if there's any left, you'll get a good deal on it. Okay, so I think we're lathered up there pretty well. Pretty nice. We'll go for the first pass with the grain here. Oh yeah, this is a Polsilver still. I believe this is the 5th use on it here, so still chugging along. Not bad at all. Yeah, Polsilvers are pretty good. They might be one of my maybe my second favorite blade. I think my first is definitely the Gillette 7 o'clock Super Stainless, but it's pretty close. They're pretty good. It's a little more expensive than other blades, but that's okay. I still got, I think, maybe 10 or maybe a dozen. So I'm still good for a good bit on them. Yeah, but oof, man, this razor, it is so, I can't believe how much I like it. It just, for a piece of crap, it gives you a great shave. I don't know what it is, but it's got a hell of a blade gap, if you can see that. It's pretty good. And I don't know, a lot of blade exposure on there. You can see it on here, here's the camera. But yeah, I like it. You can find them. I haven't seen them in Dollar Tree for a while, so I don't know if they're going to sell them there anymore. But I've also heard from people that they've seen them in what are they called? Big Lots. So if you're in a Big Lots, take a look. Okay. So pretty close there. Yeah, real close actually. And yeah, actually today, well actually last night, I was looking on YouTube just because, I put in Crown King sale on teas because you don't see too many videos on it. So I was looking around and I came across a channel, Trevi B. He's got some good videos. I've been watching them for most of the day today, or a good portion of the day. And I've been really enjoying them, so I definitely recommend checking out Trevi B's channel. I'll leave a little eye in the corner there to a link to his channel if you want to check it out. Seems like a pretty good guy. I see the Suffolk Shaver comments on his videos, and Abe has checked him out before. I've seen him leave a comment. So I subscribe to him. I look forward to checking out his new videos. I'm pretty much caught up on everybody's most recent videos now. I took some time, and between walking on the treadmill and everything, it's given me a good amount of time to check everybody out. I tend to watch the videos on 1.5 speed just because it's giving me a little more time. Then I can knock out that video. I can still hear what you're saying and everything. It's just a little bit quicker. If I talk a little fast or whatever, it probably might be tough for doing that, but it works. I know a lot of people that do that. They'll listen to an audiobook or a podcast at 1.5 or 1.75 speed just so it doesn't take forever. Second pass here. And look at all that lather in there still. I still have a ton in this bowl. See what? Oh boy, that's creamy. Got some on the mirror here. Okay, but yeah, so let's go ahead. Man, OSP is good stuff. It really is. Yeah, like I said, I really can't smell it on my head here, so it's not too strong. Depending on the soap, I can smell it on the head. But this one in particular, not really. So, it smells pretty good on the face. It's, like I said, it's not too strong, but it's nice. This might be just a 2-pass shave here. I don't have much to go, and this against the grain probably take care of it pretty well. Yes, my wife mentioned she wanted to. My birthday is next weekend, or it'll be like my birthday weekend, something like that. But I forget when, February 8th, but I forget. But she was like, "Oh, maybe go to at the one place not too far away. They're having a mixed martial arts fight kind of thing, you know, like UFC." She was thinking about maybe going. I was like, yeah, that sounds interesting. I don't necessarily watch mixed martial arts. My TV fighting is professional wrestling. You know, not real predetermined results, but it's a hell of a lot of fun, I tell you. Last weekend was the Royal Rumble. It was a good time. They have something going, a local show, professional wrestling show tonight, I believe, first Saturday every month. But I gotta have to talk to my wife again. I mentioned to her that there is a show, a play tonight at one of the local playhouses. Or doing like some sort of Sherlock Holmes play, which I would really like. I like Sherlock Holmes a lot. I like when I listen to audiobooks and stuff like that. I've listened to a lot of his Arthur Conan Doyle Sherlock Holmes stories. They're just fun. Ooh, careful. Put a little too much pressure there, I think. But looking good. Yeah, you gotta be careful. This is pretty aggressive. The blade just wants to grab on. So we'll see, though. I think the show starts tonight at 8, and there's one tomorrow at 2. But I don't know how long it is. I don't want it to get in the way of Super Bowl. I don't know if we even have a plan for Super Bowl here yet, so we'll see. I really don't have a horse. Well, I do like the from Pennsylvania, so I kind of, I like the not the Steelers, the Eagles. So though, I support both teams, the Steelers and the Eagles. If I follow, I'd probably follow the Steelers a little more, but I'm all for the home team to be in the big game, so that's always a good thing. Okay, so that's a second pass. So let me just I might just put some soap on the head here and just feel around, see if I need to do any pickups, because it feels pretty close, I gotta tell you. Okay. A little water in the head or hand here. Just feel around. Yeah, pretty close, gotta tell you. Just right here. And over here. That's not. I might just nitpick it, I think. But. Okay, so there's that. I'll just get back over on this side here. Okay, I think that'll do. So, hey, not bad. 2-pass shave, pretty quick here. Although I enjoyed it, you know. It's not about how quick you can get it done, just, you know, how much you enjoy it. Which I did thoroughly. With the soap, beautiful stuff. Man, that's a nice close shave there, I gotta tell you. I guess that's the thing about doing it. Not having too much growth, it's pretty easy to get it down pretty quick. Okay, so that's set. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this aftershave then here. It's the Skin Bracer. Really nice stuff. I like this a lot. Just a nice, like, clean, powdery kind of smell here. Oop, I forget. Big ol' hole there, so you got to definitely put your finger over. Okay, here we go. Unfortunately, the shower's going to wash this off, but yeah, let's put some on afterwards. You never know. Hey, why not? It's only $3 or $4, not bad. Smell good while I'm working out, right? Okay, and then while that's drying down here, we'll just go through again what we use for the shave. So the razor, again, this is the Pacific safety razor. I picked this one from Dollar Tree. Pretty cheap, but like I said, if you want a cheap, aggressive razor, this is a good one to pick up. The blade, the Polsilver Super Iridium, 5th use. I might give it another try, see how it feels. Maybe the next face shave will be the 6th, and if it's not doing good, I'll just toss it. But hey, you know, worked out pretty well for the head here. The brush, again, it's a Haircut and Shave Co. 24mm Tuxedo style knot in this, so it does faux ivory handle. Did a great job. The soap, look how much I got still. OSP Sandalwood, kindly sent to me by Blind Man Shaves, Billy Curtis. So thanks again, Billy. Appreciate that. The Aftershave Skin Bracer, great stuff. Love that a lot. The balm will be Nivea Men Sensitive Cooling Post Shave Balm. Okay, so let me just a little bit. There we go. I seem to mastered letting it out now, so that'll be good. And again, this will come off, but hey, that works. Okay, so that takes care of the head shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thank you for checking out the video. I definitely do appreciate that. Please like and comment below. I definitely appreciate getting both of those. Or if you can't give me a comment, hey, throw me a like, a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe. You can either do that below, or I'll leave a link to click on right here. Save you a little bit of time. And I would also recommend checking out some of my older videos. I'll leave a suggested video for you to click on right here. So again, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have some great shaves.